2 days before, I posted a video about the vacancy we had at Tots and Moms corporate office, and we filled it so quickly. The person even joined in today. Thank you so much for spreading the word. And yes, we kept receiving a lot of messages about work from home opportunities. There was an idea running at my mind, and for a while I had shelved it. Now I thought, let me give it a try. We sent out the form to people who had applied, and trust me, we have received 120 applications. So there are so many interesting women who want to take up work from home opportunities, what I understand. And yes, I want to spread this information to see if somebody else is also interested, because that time, without knowing, maybe you had missed it. So apply for this work from home opportunity. And yes, it includes sales. Tots and Moms being a brand, if we are able to thrive, survive for 8 long years and also do amazing business and flourish, it is because the love you have towards the brand and the people who spread knowledge about our products. I cannot afford big brand TV advertisement. I can only afford this. So with this, as an individual, if I am able to thrive, as a team, if we do this project, imagine how well we'll be able to do business. It is easy. Definitely, we will give you training. We will give you all the necessary materials to do the marketing. And we will let you know, just sitting at home while talking to your friends, you can do. Apply, link is there in bio. Don't miss this opportunity.